Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial, guys, I have the S26 Ultra here. I'll be showing you how to install unknown apps. In other words, I'm going to show you to activate the how to activate the option to allow unknown apps to be installed. So in case you can't find an option for unknown apps, you're gonna go to your settings. Once you're in your settings, guys, you're gonna go down. You're going to search for apps. Now, of course, if you're in here, you might not be able to find it. It's hidden in this menu. So click on the three dots, go to special access. Once you're in special access, now you're going to scroll through and you should see install unknown apps. So go ahead and tap. And of course, it says install unknown apps. And there it is. Now, by default, it lists all of your main apps that you can actually install unknown apps from. So it says by default, your phone can only install apps from approved sources such as the Play Store and Galaxy Store. So that's by default. Those are the two options usually. It helps to protect you from malicious apps. Installing apps from unknown sources may put your phone and data at risk. If you want to install apps from unknown sources, allow the source in the list below. So meaning it will show you what source you want to install from. Usually it will require like from your files if you download the file online. So if I download an APK file, go ahead and say from my files. So check my files, and when you download it, I'm not going to recommend any source, but APK files can be found online. Make sure you get them from a reliable source. Once you download them through your browser, you can go ahead, guys, and what you can do is check from my files. You can also additionally, let's say your browser is Brave, go ahead and turn it on for Brave. And what's going to happen is that once you go on that site and that you trust, I'm not going to tell you where, and you get those APK files and you hit download, it will download and it will go to your My Files. You can go in your My Files, which is the Explorer for files. You can tap on that file. And because you have the unknown sources checked for My Files, maybe you did it in Chrome, so you'll find Chrome, so you can check it for Chrome if you have Chrome. And then you can double tap on hit the My Files. Your My Files is easy to find. It's under your Samsung apps, which is right here, My Files. And then you can tap on that APK file, and then it will install the unknown source or from the unknown source. You can later on, if you want, you can always deselect if you want and come back later on in case you need to do another or install a APK file or unknown app from a third party. So that's how you activate that on your S26 Ultra. Hope that was useful, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.